Welcome to our guide on natural hacks for achieving beautiful, glowing skin. These simple yet effective techniques harness the power of nature to enhance your skin's natural beauty. Hack number 1. Hydration boost. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water. Add a splash of natural flavor by infusing your water with fruits like lemon, cucumber, or berries. Hydration is key to maintaining supple and radiant skin. Hack number 2. DIY exfoliation. Create a DIY exfoliating scrub using natural ingredients like sugar, oatmeal, or coffee grounds. Gently exfoliate your skin to remove dead cells, revealing a smoother complexion. Hack number 3. Nutrient-rich diet. Fuel your skin from within by consuming a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, nuts, and healthy fats. These nutrient-packed foods provide essential vitamins and antioxidants for vibrant skin. Hack number 4. Natural face masks. Treat your skin to natural face masks using ingredients like honey, yogurt, avocado, or turmeric. These masks can nourish, hydrate, and rejuvenate your skin. Hack number 5. Beauty sleep. Get sufficient beauty sleep. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your skin time to repair and regenerate. Hack number 6. Stress reduction. Manage stress through relaxation techniques like yoga, meditation, or deep breathing exercises. Reduced stress levels can positively impact your skin's appearance. Hack number 7. Natural oils. Use natural oils like coconut, jojoba, or argan oil to moisturize your skin. These oils provide hydration and nourishment without harsh chemicals. Hack number 8. Sun protection. Shield your skin from the sun's harmful rays by using natural sunscreen with ingredients like zinc oxide or titanium dioxide. Hack number 9. Gentle cleansing. Cleanse your skin with a mild, natural cleanser suitable for your skin type. This helps remove impurities without causing irritation. Hack number 10. Stay active. Stay physically active. Regular exercise promotes healthy circulation, delivering oxygen and nutrients to your skin for a natural, healthy glow. Conclusion. Incorporate these natural hacks into your skincare routine and embrace the beauty of naturally healthy skin. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards a more beautiful you, naturally.